on the date of the commission of the offence. Now the grey area of the age of the child is something I will come to in a little while. And section 2 subsection 35 of our act says a juvenile means a child below the age of 18 years. So they have transplanted the definition to make it interchangeable. Now in chapter 3 from sections 4 to 9 we have created an equivalent of a court for children in conflict with law, and we call it a juvenile justice board. So whenever there is an occurrence, whenever there is a conflict with law of a juvenile, whenever there is an offence committed by a juvenile, the child is not produced before a court, the child is produced before the JJ board. The composition of the JJ board is a magistrate, a social worker, and a representative of the government. So the JJ board conducts a quasi-judicial inquiry to determine what is to be done. Now, if the offence is heinous or it is grave, then the JJ board takes a call on whether the child should be tried by a children's court and the adjudication should be done in accordance with law. 9 times out of 10, the JJ board remands the child to an observation home. Child is not sent to jail. Child is not supposed to make criminals. The children's court is very securely guarded. People in plain clothes, no uniformed policemen, and so on and so forth. Now the chapter 4, sections 10 to 26 deals with procedure of children in conflict with law. And the procedure is that first of all, section 10 says whenever a child is apprehended who is in conflict with law, the child shall not be placed in jail. Child shall be produced before a juvenile justice board. And section 12 talks of automatic bail to a child in conflict with law. So section 12 of the JJ Act says that whenever a child is apprehended, the word used is apprehended, not arrested, and is in